Okay, hello students, welcome back in our chemistry lecture. In chemistry lecture we are on solution chapter. In solution chapter we have discussed about type of solutions depending upon phase, with solute and solvent. Today we discuss about concentration unit. Concentration unit we have already discussed about percentage weight by weight, percentage weight by volume, then molarity, normality and molality. Again I revise what is the difference between these three main units: molarity, normality and molality. Molarity is equal to mole per liter of solution. Mole means weight upon molecular weight, 1000 upon VmL of solution per glass. Okay, so that is mole per liter. Similarly, normality is equal to weight upon equivalent weight multiplied by 1000 upon VmL. That is also same mole per liter of solution. In both these solution we have to take volume of solution, but in molality is equal to mole per kg of solvent. So here by weight it is taken and it is of solvent. Weight upon molecular weight, that is mole, 1000 by W0. W0 symbol is for weight of solvent. So mole per kg of solvent, that is equal to molality. Symbol is small m. Again equivalent weight, this equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by acidity or basicity or replaceable H or replaceable O, or in terms of redox it is change in oxidation number, or in other words electron transport. So equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by certain factor, that will give equivalent weight. Okay, so molarity, normality and molality. We discuss the example, so we can find what will be the different concentration unit. One by one we discuss the example. First example is example number 2.1 of your textbook. Okay, example 2.1. Calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol. Formula is C2H6O2 in a solution containing 20% of ethylene glycol by mass. By mass means what? It is given in percentage weight. It is 20. Ethylene glycol, CH2OH, CH2OH, ethylene glycol. Its IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. First carbon, second carbon, and it is diol means what? It is alcohol, 2 alcohol. Then this diol. For finding mole fraction, we require mole of each component, mole of solute and mole of solvent. So here 20% weight by weight is given in percentage. So suppose that total weight of the solution is 100 gram. In that 100 gram, 20 gram is ethylene glycol. So remaining 80 gram is of water. So 20 gram C2H6O2 is equal to 20 gram and H2O is equal to 80 gram. Okay, 100 minus 20. So total weight is 100. Okay, total 100 in terms of percentage. For finding mole fraction of any component, first we find the moles. Molecular weight of C2H6O2, 2 into 12, carbon molecular weight, atomic weight is 12, so it is 24, hydrogen 1, total 6, so it is 6, oxygen 16, 2 is, so it is 32. So molecular weight of ethylene glycol is 62. Similarly, already we know molecular weight of water, that is equal to 18. Now we find moles. Moles of ethylene glycol is equal to weight upon molecular weight. Weight is 20, molecular weight is 62. So it is coming 0.322 moles of ethylene glycol. Similarly, moles of water is equal to, water is 80 gram divided by its molecular weight. So answer is coming 4.444. So these 2 moles we have got. Now we find mole fraction. mole fraction of C2H6O2 is equal to mole of component C2H6O2 upon total moles. Total moles means moles of water and moles of ethylene glycol. Moles of ethylene glycol already we discussed, it is 0.322 upon total moles means moles of ethylene glycol plus moles of water. If you solve this, then mole fraction of ethylene glycol, it is coming 0.068. 0.068. Here one thing you should keep in the mind, its unit is unitless. Mole fraction on the top also mole, below also mole. So unit will be cancelled. So mole fraction there is no unit. So mole fraction of ethylene glycol is 0.068. Similarly, you can find mole fraction of water. Mole fraction of H2O is equal to mole fraction of H2O is equal to mole of water, which is equal to 4.444 upon total moles, means 0.322 plus 4.444. The answer will come in 0.932. So mole fraction of water is coming 0.93 and mole fraction of ethylene glycol is this. Now mole fraction, if you add the mole fraction, answer will come 1. So second method also you can apply for finding moles of water. Okay, mole fraction is equal to 1 is equal to mole fraction of water plus mole fraction of ethylene glycol. If you want to find mole fraction of water, then 1 minus ethylene glycol. So mole fraction of water is equal to mole fraction of H2O is equal to 1 minus C2H6O2. That will give 1 minus C2H6O2. Okay, is 0.068. So answer is coming 0.932. So in both ways you can find the mole fraction of water. Okay, only two. If there is 3 components, you have to total take 3 components in this total mole. So from this we can find the mole fraction of any component, and total mole fraction if you add it, then answer is coming 1. Okay. Second we discuss example number 2.2. Example number 2.2. Okay, second example 2.2 of your textbook. In that we have to find molarity. Calculate the molarity of solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml solution. So we want to find molarity. So for solution, molarity is equal to weight upon molecular weight multiplied by 1000 upon VmL of solution. What information is given? Weight of solute is given. Weight is equal to 5 gram. Molecular weight of NaOH. Okay, molecular weight of NaOH we will find. Sodium it is 23, oxygen 16 and hydrogen 1. So it is coming 40. So molecular weight of NaOH is 40. Weight is 5 gram. 1000 upon VmL. VmL is given. VmL is 450 ml. So volume of solution. So from that we can find the molality. Put the values. Molality is equal to 5 by 450 multiplied by 1000. Sorry, molecular weight. Molecular weight here it is of NaOH. NaOH is 40. and volume VML is equal to, so 5 by 40 multiplied by 1000 into divided by 450. So answer will come in 0.278 mole per liter. The unit of molarity is equal to mole per liter. So in this way we can find. Molality. Okay, molarity of given solution. So that is mole per liter. Example number 2.3. That is very, very important, related with molality. Okay, word, you give concentration on the words molarity and molality. Molality means weight comes and molality means molarity. Rity means volume comes. Okay, so we take the example number 3. Okay, example number 3, 2.3. Calculate the molality of ethanoic acid. Formula is CH3COOH. It is also commonly known as acetic acid. In 75 gram of benzene. Benzene formula is C6H6. Okay, and its structure is like this. Benzene C6H6 organic compound. Now we want to find molality. Molality symbol is small m. Here it is same weight upon molecular weight. Okay, weight of molecular weight of solute, that is acetic acid, multiply by 1000 upon W0 means what? Weight of solvent. Here weight of solvent is benzene. Okay, so one by one we will put the values, convert the values, and we will find what will be the molality of acetic acid in benzene. If you add acetic acid in benzene, then what will be its molality? Weight of solute. Here it is calculating molality of ethanoic acid. 2.5 gram. What is calculated molality? It is given 2.5 gram. That I forgot. That is 2.5. So here weight is 2.5. Second is molecular weight. Okay, molecular weight of acetic acid. CH3COOH. So if you write in terms of formula, carbon 2, okay, hydrogen 4 and oxygen 2. So it is 2 into 12 plus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 16. So it is 24 plus 4 plus 32. So answer is coming 60 gram per mole. So molecular weight of acetic acid. Molecular weight of acetic acid is coming 60. And W0. W0 means solvent. Its weight is given 75 gram. So we want to find M. Question mark. Okay, molality. So molality is equal to weight of solute 2.5 gram upon its molecular weight 60 upon 1000 divided by 75. So that will give answer is 0.556 mole per kg of solvent. So molality is coming 0.556 mole per kg of solvent. So in this way we can find molality, normality or molarity. 3 units are there. Okay, of particular solution. In homework, try to find answer of this all intact question on page number 39. Okay, 2.1 to 2.5 it is given. So you try to solve these all 5 questions or sums, and if any problem then you ask me. Okay, this is in homework. I will provide the photo of that particular sums. Okay, thank you.